Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to contact TikTok support team. Make sure you already have your TikTok account and you are logged in. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see 3-line icon. You need to tap over there. Now here at the third, you can see the option settings and privacy. You need to tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down a bit. There you can see the option support. Tap over there. Now here we will tap on the option help center. Now here you can see various topics that you are having problem on, or else you can go at the search bar and search for the problem you are having. For example, we will type delete account. After that, you need to simply tap on the search icon. Now you can see that you have got 7 results for delete account. Another option is to go back. Here you can see the option of report a problem. You can tap over there. Again, here you can see the topics that you are facing problems on. You can search for an issue, or else you can scroll down and there you can see the option of chat with us. You can tap over there. And here you can text them the problem that you are facing on your TikTok. And these are some of the steps to contact TikTok support team. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.